And when you meet visionaries and people from different cities and countries, they give you another kind of perspective. They also talk about the kind of work you've done, and you are able to give them new insights and new ideas as to how your people are, how your country is, how it works in innovation, how it works in design and stuff. And if you're able to put your mind together like rock stars, you can actually connect the dots and have something happening. So we don't know how it's going to go from here, but then what I'm saying is that basically participation always helps. And you may have to travel a long distance. You may not have that shade of mind to want to do this, but the point is the importance of being in environments and importance of being in certain forums definitely helps you, because it gives you more clarity and stuff, and you come back totally recharged and rejuvenated. And even if the worst scenario is that things don't work, you've actually met up people, you've actually done some brain share, you've done some brainstorming. And if not now, probably later something or the other can work. You never know. This is life. It's, you never know. So this is what she's also shared here, that I wanted to kind of shift and I was not sure. Then I started doing something different, and I started inviting and attracting new and joyful encounters. And then that basically helped me considering the job change. And I took the job change positively with my gratitude, and recognizing that those other things were not meant for me, and I had to maintain a certain distance from relationships and people I'd already known, because they were looking at me the way they've been seeing me